Hello friends, hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanto the Social Engineers. Today is the World Milk Day, so that I have prepared a quiz on that. To attend the quiz you have to give the email ID properly. If any mistake done in the email ID, then the certificate will not be delivered. So take precautions while giving your email ID. Then you have to give your name of the students and name of your school and college and university, then class and roll numbers. If we are going to discuss in details about questions and answer of the quiz, those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channels, not click on the bell button or not like, please share, click and subscribe my YouTube channel so that next up to date quiz information on different general knowledge and updates about CBSE or different boards, OTT, OSSTT and BD's video series, social science video series. You have to subscribe this. So without making any delay, let's start. First one, that is question number 1. The World Milk Day is observed every year on dash to recognize the importance of milk as a global food. That is option number D. 1st June is celebrated globally all over the world as World Milk Day. Question number 2. The World Milk Day was established by the Food and Agriculture Organization, which is popularly known as FAO of United Nations, in, that is option number B, 2001. It was established in the year 2001 by FAO, Food and Agriculture Organizations. Question number 3. In 2001, World Milk Day was established by which organizations, which is part of the United Nations, that is FAO, Food and Agriculture Organizations. Others organizations of United Nations are ILO, UNICEF, UNDP, etc. Question number 4. What is the theme of World Milk Day 2021? That is sustainability in the dairy sector. That is option number 1 is the right answer. Other theme of other years are drink milk today and every day, milk the livelihood, milk for everybody. These are the quiz themes. Next question number 5. Drinking milk can help improve your health in which of these ways? Healthy bones and flawless skin, cellular repair, immune system regulations. Option number D is the right answer, that is all of these, which means it when you take milk every day, it make healthy bones and flawless skin, repair these cells of our body and increase the immunity system and regulate the immunity system of the body. Question number next, which of these is a kind of butter? Ghee, olive oil, mustard, margarine. First one, that is ghee, is the right answer. Next come question number 8. The white revolutions relate to increase the productions of dash, milk, egg, onion, potato. That is first one, that is milk, is the right answer. The white revolution relate to increase in the productions of milk. Question number next, in white revolutions in India, also known as Operation Flood, Operation Bull, Operation Drought, none of the above. Option number 1, that is Operation Flood, the white revolution, which is otherwise also called as the Operation Flood in India. And who is called the father of white revolution in India? These are the options: Dr. Narman Ballak, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Dr. Verghese Kurian, Dr. William Gandhi. That is option number D, that is Dr. Verghese Kurian is the option number C, that is Verghese Kurian is the right answer. He also known as the milkman of India. And two other persons, that is A and B. A is known as the father of green revolution all over the world. And question option number B, that is MS Swaminathan is known as the father of green revolutions in India. Next question, the National Milk Day NMD was observed on 26 November is to mark birth anniversary Dr. Virgis Korean's father of the white revolution in India. It is true or false? That is obviously true. That is option number A. Dr. Virgis Korean, father of the white revolution in India, is also known as milkman of India. It is also true. Last one, the Orissa State Cooperative Milk Producers Federation Limited (OMFED) is an apex level dairy cooperative society registered under Cooperative Society Act 1962. It has come into existence to integrate the milk producers in rural areas with consumers in the urban areas with an enterprising aptitudes, which means it is also true. This detailed information about OMFED. So in this way you have to attend the quiz by giving your email ID, your name, your class, and attend the questions properly, and you have to secure more than 65 marks. If you not secure more than 65 marks, then the certificate will not be delivered. And the next important question, the link will be given in the my YouTube description box. So you have to go to my YouTube description box and attend the quiz. Thank you.